Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, and my name is Rio Dwi Chandra, a representative from Group 8, the subject of Psychotherapy Islam, and my friend here is Vera Azahra and Dini Nadiatul Haq, with the collaboration with Niken Novia Wenti from Lampung University and Maulan Omar Fauzan from Bursa Uludak University. Thank you for Mr. Iredo Fani Reza as for the lecturer of this subject, Psychotherapy Islam. In this happy day, let us praise the presence of Allah who has given His grace and guidance to us. Because of His grace, we can get on this presentation today. Today, the subject we're gonna present it Istighfar Zikir Therapy to increase peace of mind in individuals who experience disappointment. For introduction, the introduction highlights the importance of overcoming disappointment and achieving peace of mind through zikir therapy, especially the zikir of istighfar. In the context of individual mental well-being, zikir istighfar is a spiritual practice that is believed to help relieve anxiety and calm the mind. Previous research shows that zikir can increase mental calm in individuals who experience disappointment. Therefore, this research deems to understand the effect of zikr istighfar in increasing peace of mind in individuals who experience disappointment. The method used: first, we use a combination of quantitative and qualitative methods with a single subject experimental designed to evaluate subjects' behavior before and after intervention. Second, the research subject was a teenage boy with initial SNP who experienced minimal disappointment at a moderate level. The instrument used include the DASS-21 self-report to measure stress levels, as well as structured interviews regarding the problems experienced by the subject. The Istighfar Zikir psychotherapy intervention was carried out for 7 days, with the subject reciting Istighfar 33 times per day using prayer beads, as well as checklist guidelines. For the result of the research is that show that the activity of praying Istighfar provides calm and relaxation for individuals in the trauma healing process. Regular use of Istighfar can also help in overcoming post-traumatic stress disorder. The subjects revealed that Istighfar performed after the obligatory prayers provides inner peace and a feeling of surrender to Allah. Al-Jawziyah also emphasized that Allah provides solution and unexpected sustenance for those who make istighfar. In the discussion side, istighfar therapy has been proven to be effective in increasing a person's mental peace. After 1 week of regularly practicing istighfar, the subject experienced an improvement in the level of mental calm, showing the positive impact of this therapy. Islam itself has an integrated concept of mental health in its teaching, with the Al-Quran as a source of teaching which contains verses about calm and happiness of the soul. Apart from that, counseling also plays an important role in developing individual human potential, both in terms of physical, emotional, social, and spiritual. Mental disorders generally include anxiety, loneliness, boredom, and defiant behavior, which, if not treated properly, can have a negative impact on a person's mental well-being. In conclusion, disappointment is a condition where an individual feels unpleasant things accompanied by a feeling of anger because what they want does not match the reality that is happening. These problems can result in a state of anxiety and unease in an individual's life, which can have fatal consequences in the end. In this research, the subjects revealed that zikir activities provide calm in everyday life. The sense of calm that is felt can come from choosing istighfar sentences, feeling more focused in making istighfar, and feeling calmer. Zikir in this case is intended as a means of Islamic therapy for the living conditions of humans who experience problems in their lives, such as frustration, disappointment, anxiety, and committing reckless acts that endanger themselves, such as committing suicide. Zikir can also function as a psychotherapy method which will make the heart calm and peaceful and not easily shaken by environmental influences. That's for the presentation today. Thank you so much for your time and attentions. I hope that what I have shared will be beneficial for all of us. If there's a mistake in my word, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.